Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Asheesh Dixit, Head of Technology at Seamedu. With over 3 decades of experience in the IT industry and academia, my passion is to bring industry and academia together in order to empower students with the required knowledge and industry relevant skills. In today's fast evolving digital world, technology, particularly digital technology, is not just a career option. It is a necessity. Industry is embracing all these technologies for digital transformation at their end, for which they require skilled human resource. Our courses at Seamedu are designed in order to meet this demand. Some of the salient features of the courses that we offer at Seamedu are focus on skill-based education, state-of-art infrastructure, hands-on learning experience through real-world problems, internships, global certifications, mentoring of the students by the faculty members, a strong emphasis on the placement and internship programs with the help of our Industry Connect, and above all, a thoughtfully designed curriculum by inputs from various industry experts and renowned academicians.
Hi, I am Dr. Mohammad Wajahatullah Naseem. Seamedu, in collaboration with Ajinke D.Y. Patil University, Pune, offers a variety of programs which includes BCA, MCA and BTech programs. These programs are thoughtfully designed with industry demands and ensures relevance in today's ever-evolving technology landscape. Our programs provide specializations in data science, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, cloud computing, game development and many more. These programs are crafted to equip students with the right skills and knowledge required to excel in their chosen fields. At Seamedu, we emphasize a balanced approach to education by integrating theoretical concepts with practical experience, while preparing our students for globally recognized industry certifications. Our commitment is to providing the highest quality education to equip students for successful careers in their respective fields. Learning at Seamedu is more than just attending lectures. It's an immersive journey through hands-on projects, real-world problem solving and interactive sessions. We make education practical, engaging and impactful.
Our vision at Seamedu is to empower the students with knowledge, skills and confidence so they excel in their careers. At Seamedu, we don't just educate, we transform our students into future-ready professionals.